You see this red dot right here? It's been there since like episode 1 of the vlog. This red dot in my eyebrow. There's an ingrown hair, and it's driving me crazy. I pick at it all the time, which I'm sure is making it worse, but god damn it. You know, one of the main advantages to my being away is that I get to use the little car every day. All right. Thank you. See you later, boys. You know, I really would like to try and quit sugar, but it's difficult. Why? See this chisel right here? When I started doing woodwork, my dad bought me a set of these Stanley chisels. And they're all gone now. This is the last one of the 5. I broke them all, snapped them. But I left this one in hydrochloric acid and water last week, and it went all rusty and fluffy. And to be honest, I kind of abuse these chisels because I don't really use them anymore. I mostly use them for like busting open bricks and wrenching through nails and stuff like that. But I saw it and I felt sorry for it, so I'm just cleaning it up. I brushed it off real quick on the wire wheel, and now I'm just using my sharpening stones to polish and try and get an edge back. You can see it's in pretty bad shape. All this is all pitting, all this black stuff, and then it's really super, super dull. It's going to take a while, like I can't even cut myself if I tried. It's going to take me a while to get this back to sharp again. Can you see how badly that's rolled over on that corner right there? It's going to take a long time to fix that. I use a set of 3 sharpening stones, coarse, medium and fine. And I also use this little gauge right here. And you just put your chisel in and it tells you on the side what to set it at, and then you just grind away. It's important when you're sharpening to try and use the whole stone, to try and keep the stone flat. If you just keep going like this, you're just going to run a groove down the middle of your stone. And that can end up curling your blade. You can end up with a blade that's like curved at the end. Anyway, this is probably going to take me like a few hours, so see you later. Okay, that was really boring. I'm most of the way there now. See that? Almost. Let's go look at some trains. I don't have a drone today, so I'm just trying to get some interesting higher up time lapses from other locations. I really hope this doesn't blow down. That's a steam train, you don't see those come through very often. So the idea is that I want to have like little establishing shots, so if I'm coming to the workshop, you'll see trains, so then you know where I am. If I'm going to Bath, you'll see the Bath skyline, so you'll know where I am, and so on and so forth. So every now and again I like to try and go out and just grab like a few sets of shots that I can intersperse throughout a video. I have like a whole bank of them now, but the train ones I keep running out of. I'm just taking a trip down to the skate park, see if there's anything going on. Maybe I can get some cool footage of the skateboarders. Let's go. It's so quiet out today. It's like nobody about. It's a complete ghost town now. Those guys are cool. You know, hanging out at the skate park and filming those guys doing some tricks really made me want to take up skateboarding again. Ugh, you just have to be it's so time consuming. If you want to get any good at it, you have to commit quite a lot of time. Maybe though, maybe it was fun. When I was about 15, I used to be quite good at skateboarding, but as I've gotten older, see those wrinkles? As I've gotten older, I'm more worried about falling off, so now I mostly just use it to cruise around. I'm not as keen on the ramps and the tricks and stuff. Anyway, I goofed off for way longer than I intended to do, so I've got to get this video edited, and then I've got to get some sleep. I'm shattered, man. That was really tiring.